Hi from Paper Garden. In this video I am going to show you this journal. It's a Christmas magic journal. This is a ready-made one, but actually this item is sold as a kit. I will show you quickly that this one is a Christmas journal with all the ingredients you will need to make it yourself. So it has a journal in it with a lovely charm, as you can see. Then there's a little surprise with all the papery essentials, prints, all the embellishments and decorations, and all the tools you will need decorating it. So it will actually include all you will need to decorate your own Christmas magic journal, and it comes with a tutorial video where I am going to step by step teach you how to and show you how to use these ingredients to create some Christmas magic. Okay, and now I will shortly show you that what are the materials. You know, there are different kinds of prints, each labeled by the spread and page number, so it's easy to follow the instructions. Then there are tools, Tim Holtz stencil, distress crayon, glue stick, sponge, distress ink, and Prima metallic wax. So you can use these for your journal. Okay, then there are papery essentials, as I call them, which includes this lovely Tim Holtz sheet of clippings, papers from 1906, more papers, coffee dyed doilies, and some old Finnish receipts from the 20s, and special bag for filling the pockets you will be creating in this journal. Then we have made it really easy for you, as we have labeled every single spread you will be decorating with page numbers, so you can use your time only for decorating and creating your journal, not trying to figure it out what ingredient comes to what. And now this journal is a really lovely one with some classic paper and old Finnish vintage papers, with some one coffee dyed paper to secure the middle section. So here it is, Christmas magic. And now I will show you what's inside. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy today, as usual. Okay, and here is the journal that, well, I have made in this case, but if you happen to own this kit, or if you want to buy it, this is what it will look like when you have done it yourself. Okay, and each and every little charm is different. This one has some lovely holly in it. Okay, it's a cold foiled cover, and here is the first page, and you can choose each and every single clipping from the sheet yourself and create your own kind of Christmas magic story that will go through the pages. And here are just tiny little decorations here and there, and we have even made eyelets and eyelets and every charms and so on, and each page has their own decorations. As you can see, this one includes all the laces and parts and ribbons and so on. And then the next page here are some old tags for you to create some lovely gift tags. Old receipt and pocket. It's a really easy way to do these kinds of pockets. And then just an example how to make one out of these. And here are, I love this page. This has a tiny little pine cone in it, and this lace is handmade Finnish lace from 1920s. And then here are envelopes and so on. And tiny little embellishments you will be creating yourself with really simple. They are really simple to do. And here the Christmas tree bells ring I have added here. And here are number tags and some prints to decorate. And as you can see, there are lots of different kind of style you will be learning to make and create while doing and creating this journal. This is tiny little one you can use as a bookmark or just leave it there, or what you would like to use it. Okay, and here are some bits and pieces. The bell still rings for all who truly believe. And here we have the bell. Do you hear it? I think you can hear it. I hope so. And I love actually this color combination of really lovely creams and golds. And here is a tiny little Madonna charm and some soft tone papers and pockets and nooks. And even you will be doing even this little tiny little embellishment yourself with a button and ribbons. And as you can see, it sparkles. I think everything Christmassy should have a sparkle in, well, with a good taste maybe. And another tiny little charm. And here it was. It's a short one, but as you can see, even if it only has 20 some maybe 10 24 pages, but if you count these, there's more. It's still really thick, so it has so much lace and embellishments and charms and ribbons and so on that it will be a while for you to make it, but it's really simple one and it's easy one, it's fun, and we have made it so simple and gentle way for you to start creating junk journals that we really hope you enjoy the process. And now it's time to finish this video and we will start the actual tutorial one. So if you are interested, there's still 1 or 2 available on our paper carton shop, so just go and have a look. Thank you for watching and bye bye.